Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove likes from your Instagram Reels. So let's start it by opening our Instagram app. Then simply head over to your profile. Just click the Reels. Then let's select the video. So let's click this one. As we can see there, we can see the likes. So click the settings here. Then manage. Then click hide likes, and that's pretty much it. So once you view the video or reel from your Instagram, likes will be automatically hidden. And if you want to undo it, just head over again to the manage and do the unhide for the likes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.